Also like us. Si Janet is an employee. I used to be an employee. And this second speaker is also former employee, no? She is actually an industrial engineer. 5 taon nag-aral to, nag-board. And not only that, she was the head of the Industrial Engineering Department of GE. Kung saan ho, doon niya na-meet yung kanyang gwapong-gwapong asawa. Our King Philip Pegasus, Sir Magondo. Yan mo yung dahilan kung sino nagtagpo. Pero hindi ko doon nabuo ang stem cell, ha? Kasi kanina sabi ni Janet kahit sa amin. Sa kusina daw, sabi ni Sir. Hindi ko alam. Okay? Hindi ko alam. Anyway, no? And at the time, no, she has a very flourishing career. Kasi, syempre, head ka di ba? Kaya lang, nung sinabi po sa kanya ng husband niya na, can you give up your position and be a full-time mom and wife? And she did. Ang hirap nun.
Yes.
Sa totoo lang, when I learned that, sabi ko, it will took a lot of strength for a woman with career to decide on something that big. And I call that strength. And I call that, alam mo yun, yung devotion, no? Talagang support niya dun sa kanyang husband. And, before, hindi ko siya naniniwala rin sa katulad sa mga mother, nega. Sino mga mother? Yan. O, mga nega, no? Moher daw. Okay. So, katulad din nun, hindi ko siya naniniwala sa ganitong platform. Why? Because his husband has been into this kind of business for 26 years before he actually met Ray. And then, nung nakita niya yung frustration ng husband niya, syempre pag nakikita natin, di ba? Tayo na mismo, naku, hype lang yun, power lang yun. Tama ba? But when they met Ray, they find that this is really a different kind of arena. This is really a different kind of company. And this is really a life-changing company. Which is the reason she is very, very active now in this platform. And he has been helping his husband in building their team, not just in Manila, but in Batangas, in Tarlac, in Pampanga, in Iloilo, in Tacloban, and not just in the Philippines, but even outside the Philippines. Grabe, no? And who is this person? This is none other than our Diamond 3-star, Fides Ondo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening na pala po. Thank you very much, Ms. Vivian, for that very generous introduction. Nakakatabang puso po pag ganun pala kayong ini-introduce. Well, as Vivian has said, dati po akong empleyado. I'm an industrial engineer by profession, but because of the request of my husband, as she has said, I gave up my career to fully support our family. Okay? We only have one daughter and I have already 2 grandsons. And before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge the presence of my 2 sisters here in front. The youngest sister and the second to the youngest sisters. To give support to their ate. So, how did we come to Riway? So, sabi nga po ni Vivian, I was not a believer of networking because of the frustrations that my husband had when he was involved in different networking on multi-level marketing companies. So, sabi ko nga po, hindi totoo naman yung sinasabi nilang promises. Lahat yata ng promises nila walang natutupad. Lahat napapako. Anyone can relate? Mga so dito po siguro may mga nanggaling na rin ibang networking companies. So totoo po yun, sinasabi nila may financial freedom daw. But come to think of it, noong pong dami ng taon na na-involve ang husband ko sa multi-level marketing, doon po kami nabaon sa utang. So, sabi nga po ni Ma'am dito sa harap, it was indeed a financial burden. Bakit po masasabing financial burden? Dahil siguro po may mga kakulangan o yung mga mismong taong na-involved dun sa mga networking na yon, eh hindi pa sila ready to handle the responsibility or tamang pag-iisip to do this kind of platform or industry. So, sinasabi din po, may time freedom din sa network marketing. Pero hindi ko po naranasan yun. Kasi those times, yung husband ko, inaabot po ng madaling araw sa pag-meeting. So again, there is something not correct in doing the platform or that industry. So, but then, God was so good. It was in 2018 when I was invited, my husband and I were invited in an international event of this company. It was the 10th anniversary of this company that time in Singapore. So we witnessed a very huge event wherein meron po yatang 20,000 people, sit-down dinner. Imagine niyo po, ilang round tables ang nandoon. And to think na sit-down dinner po yun, ibig sabihin, may mga waiters na nag-serve bawat table. And mind you, maiinit po ang pagkain na sinserve. So doon pa lang po, mag-wonder na kayo, anong klaseng company ito? Bakit kaya niyang magbigay ng gano'n? So, because of that, another observation that I had during that time is the environment itself. In mga previous involvements po kasi ng husband ko, I also go with him, but occasional lang po. At doon, mararamdaman mo talaga kung gaano katataray ng mga tao. Yes, tama po kayo. So the higher they go to, in their ranks, iisnab-isnabin ka na talaga. But in here, how come? It's an international event, mind you. But pagpasok mo pa lang doon sa event hall, lahat nakangiti. Lahat parang ina-acknowledge yung presence mo. So parang kung hindi alien. Di ba? Naramdaman niyo din po ba yun kanina? Punta niyo dito? So, di ba, lahat ng tao dito, all smiles. All are welcome to be here. So, sabi ko, kakaiba yata ito. So, that's why I recommended to my husband, Dad, ano kaya? Subukan natin to. So, even though he was still involved in another company, so, nag-ano po kami, parang nag-pencil pushing. And then, so sabi ko, may ano naman tayo, may naitabi naman tayong konti. So why not try this one? So when we came back here in the Philippines, he started attending, but nandun pa rin po yung medyong pagdududa ko. So hindi pa po ako yung talagang all out na sumasama sa kanya. But then, as time goes by, na-observe ko po sa husband ko mismo, yung changes sa kanya. Yung transformation na binigay nitong platform na to sa asawa ko. Hindi lang po siya naging mas guwapo. But more than that, yun po, yung attitude. Yun po ang malaking pagbabago sa asawa ko. So, Ito po siguro yung sikreto nitong platform na to. Why many are succeeding in this platform. If I may share with you the slide, please. Ito po yung pinanghahawakan namin at wino-work out namin with our group so that we can truly achieve our success in this platform. Ito po ang dapat nating baguhin. Our mindsets. Number one, we should all know that this kind of industry, we should have a long-term thinking. Wala po dito yung overnight success. Lahat po tayo dapat natututo, pinag-aaralan natin ano ba talaga itong industriya na to, at nagtatrabaho, we do our own part, we take action in what we're doing. There are instances na sinasabi po natin nakaka-experience tayo ng rejection or hindi po tayo nakakapagpenta. Actually, we're not into a selling business. What we do is we share our success stories so that we can influence others to be with us, to be our business partners. So, kung maigsi po yung pasensya natin at hindi tayo nakaka-accumulate ng mga stories or experiences that we can share to those people that we want to sponsor, paano po natin sila mai-influensyahan, di ba? So it's not natural for us to be rejected at times. Hindi naman po lagi 100% ng ginagawa natin is magkakaroon ng positive outcome, right? So it's not natural. Let us not be discouraged kung may mga ganun man pong pagkakataon. So we just do it consistently. Dapat araw-araw may kinakausap tayo, may nasishare tayo, and eventually, sabi nga po kanina, di ba, it took 18 months for Miss Vivian and her husband to say yes to this kind of platform. So makakatagpo at makakatagpo din tayo ng tamang business partner. Okay? Another two is the concept of 100 duplication. As I've said, this is not a selling business. We are in the business of building people, building international business leaders. And we can only do that if we adopt the 100% duplication that is being taught to us by the company. So how do we do that? As I've said, because of the success stories that we have accumulated ourselves and from those success stories of our leaders, we can now recommend the platform to others or to the people that we want to sponsor. And then, of course, whatever we learned in the company, whatever we learned in this platform, we should only also teach to them. Hindi po yung basta pag na-sponsoran na natin, hahayaan na lang natin sila. Mali-mali po yun, di ba? So, this is, if I may say, a selfless business because ang iintindihin mo po is yung mga taong in-sponsoran mo. Di ba? Pinangakuan po din sila na magiging successful din sila tulad ng success na nararanasan natin. So it's not good that we teach them also. Sabi mo nga po ang mas maganda, yung dinide-demonstrate natin kung ano yung dapat na ginagawa nila. So like what we're doing now with the team, we are going back to the new distributors orientation. So yun po yung, not only we ask our team to do it, but we ourselves are doing it. Yung husband ko po, ako. We sit down there and show to our team how we do the new distributors orientation. Okay? Bakit po natin tinuturuan yung mga i-sponsoran natin? because we want them to be independent as well. Ayaw naman po natin na yung lagi na lang silang may sinasandalan na kung wala po tayo sa tabi nila, eh hindi na sila makakakilos. So paano po mag-grow yung organization ng gano'n, di ba? But if we teach them or train them to be independent themselves, they can do the business or the platform by themselves. Okay? So, madami naman pong binigay si Leeway that will help us to do that. Sabi nga po dito, ang pinaka-essence po ng paggagawa nitong platform nito is for you to tee up kung ano po yung pinivide ng company. So, first and foremost, we have our successful leaders. The people sitting here in front, they are the success people or the pillars of Freeway Philippines. So, yan po, pwede natin ikwento yung mga stories nila that can also influence you or other people to join us in the business. So, yung power po ng sinasabi na ABC, wherein yung parang instead na product po isa-sell natin yung success stories nila. That is a very powerful tool. Aside from that, we have other tools na pinoprovide po ng Relay, like the Relay magazine, the OPP booklet, lahat po yan provided din ng company. It's just that we don't use them. So, yun dapat din natin pag-aralan na gamitin sila to help us out in our perspective. And of course, yung pong meetings na yan, diyan po ako napako. So, ayaw na. Nag-global na. Excuse me po. So anyway, as I've said, very powerful po ang meetings ng Relay. Just like this event. Imagine, tingin mo kayo sa likod. Di po ba ang daming tao? So ano po yung nararamdaman natin pag ganyan kadaming tao? Is this something worth na pagtuunan ng pansin?
Yes!
Di po ba? Just like what we attended in Singapore last 2018. It was a gala dinner with 20,000 people and all the people are smiling. Napakaganda pong environment, di ba? So doon palang magiging curious ko na what is it in this company that these people are trusting kaya dumami ng ganito. So, yun po. Aside from that, so, di tama na po yung mindset natin. Ngayon, another uniqueness of this platform, why we consider it is the plan. Paano po ba nagkakaroon ng kita dito sa Relay? Siyempre po, whether we admit it or not, money is important, right?
Yes!
So we can do a lot of things with money, right?
Yes.
So, dapat lang natin pong alamin, ano yung uniqueness ng plan ni Relay? So, our marketing plan is very competitive. Imagine 65 to 75% is being given back to the leaders or distributors. Meron pa bang ibang company na nakakagawa niyan? Na iniuna po talaga ng company yung development ng leaders instead of their own pocket. So, sabi ko nga po, sa mga involvement ni husband in the previous companies, eto lang po ang nakagawa niyan. Number 2, daily payout. Imagine, magtrabaho ka ngayon, na-encode mo, na-i-register mo. The following morning, at 2 a.m., imagine 12 midnight is the cut-off. At 2 a.m., you may check your, what we call the RW wallet, wherein our commissions are being put there. By 2 a.m., you can already see the income that you were able to generate out of your work? Diba? Meron po ba yung kumpanya na ganyan? Wala. Even sa employment, we still need to wait for 15 days to get our salary, right? Dito, imagine, daily pay out. So, mas may encourage kang magtrabaho. Kasi kita mo agad yung pinagpaguran mo eh. Diba? Ang ganda. Next. Maintenance is income-based instead of the product. What does it mean? It means that the income that we generate is generated out of the organization that we develop. Hindi po yung nagbenta lang tayo, okay, nagkaroon tayo ng active income. Pero hindi po na natin na-maximize yung plan ng company if we only rely on that. What is more important is to build the organization. Because in building the organization, doon pa tayo nagkakaroon ng passive income. Okay? Income is not affected by ranking. Sa ibang kumpanya po, the higher the rank they have, the higher their bonuses are. But in here, kung ano po yung income ng asawa ko as Team Elite Pegasus, it is the same income that I can receive as a Diamond 3-star. Imagine. Pantay-pantay po lahat ng binibigay ng leeway, regardless of the rank. Pero it doesn't mean na we need not have a goal to achieve a higher rank. Because the higher rank we have, it means the bigger the organization that we have. So, mas marami rin po tayong ma-generate na bonuses. A high and stable income, distributor-friendly, and multiple accounts are allowed. This is the only company that I know that pwede mong isama buong pamilya mo. Okay? Sa iba po, hindi pwede yun, di ba? But in here, husband ko po nandito, daughter po namin nandito, yung dalawang sisters ko po nandito na rin. So, pamilya po talaga. There are lots of leaders here who are doing this platform sa family, with their own family. Sabi nga po dito, multiple accounts are allowed. So, sa iba, isang account na lang. But in here, because our product is consumable, so there is no other way that we can consume more product but to buy. And whenever we buy, we are also given another account wherein may potential na naman pong kumita yun. Next slide, please.
Good night.
Wala na. Anyway, so, ang ganda po ng natakal ko na po yung tamang pag-iisip ng tao. And then, we are also given kung gaano po kaganda ang marketing plan ni Riway. That is why, yung sinatawag po nating dream boarding or vision boarding is very possible here in Riway na ma-achieve natin. So kami po ng husband ko, it has been our activity ever since our daughter is a small kid, that we do our vision boarding every year. And because of that, we are compelled to take action para po ma-achieve namin yung mga dreams na yun. That is what we do. The dream board is a very vital tool for you to be pushed to take action to grow your business. Because without that, wala ka pong basis eh. Ano ba yung dapat na sipag na gagawin ko para ma-achieve ko to? Ano po ba yung dapat na ibibigay kong effort para ma-achieve ito? And one of the best things that happened to us in here is yung self-actualization. Because of the generosity of the company, we were able to generate enough funds for us not to support only our family, but also to our extended families, and of course, our team. So noon po, gustong-gusto namin makatulong. Pero bakit parang yung pera, parang may takip? So hindi, even though meron kang naitabi, pero ang hirap ibigay. Kasi you are not certain of your future. You are not secured na bukas ba, may kikitain pa rin akong ganito. But in here, I was able to have the confidence na darating at darating. May darating at darating. Sabi ko nga po, daily payout eh. So araw-araw nakikita mo may dumarating. So it's very easy for you na to invest your money to your team. Sabi nga po dito sabi ni Mr. Lim Bunhong as CEO, imagine, ito po tinutulong niya, 50% of your income do not belong to you, but it belongs to the development of your team. Imagine, ganun po mag-isip ang CEO ng company. So, hindi po natin maitakaila because of that thinking. From the top, may right thinking na. So that is why the leaders also have developed that right thinking that gave them success in this business. Before I end up, I want to present to you a video which really touched my heart because in the companies that my husband has been with in the previous years, wala pong ganitong klaseng recognition ang binibigay sa inyo. But in here, attached to